To add business logic to your flows, you can use the structural elements in the palette of Codolex. So let's say we want to check what the user clicked in the show message dialog. So we'll change this to a confirmation with a yes, no, and cancel button. And the return value of this will be in the dialog result variable. If we want to base our business logic on what a user chose, you can use a decision structural element. You can simply drag this into the flow. A structural decision element is basically an if statement. So what you have to do is select the variable where this if statement will be based on and add other functionality. So let's say we want now to just say if a user clicked the yes button. What you can do is drag in another activity, connect the decision to the activity you just created, and add a merge. The merge is the place where you combine the different lines or different logic of the flow. What we also have to do is define what happens if we get to this point where the decision is. So for that, I can double click on the sequence, so the line between these two elements, and define what will happen or when we want to go to this line or when we want to go to this line. So in case the user clicked the yes button, we want to go to here. For that, I double click on the sequence and simply select the expression should be equal to the yes. So as you can see this here, Codolex will add the um, the if statement in here and will follow this when a user clicked yes. Now I have to provide a message, so I can simply say user clicked yes in here. We don't need a result. And in here you'll see that the flow will merge together. So let's test this. If I say yes, I will get this message. If I select no or close the pop-up, then you won't get this message. So that's how you can define if statements and decisions within your flow.